Right, hi everyone. Now, I've had to come on because, apart from the fact that I've got some fabrics, some of the fabrics arrived today, I'm in shock. I've been scouring the internet to see what other people are putting in the kits and things like that, and I'm gonna say right now that if you don't buy the kits here, you're gonna miss out big time, because for what they're charging and for what you're getting is half what I put in my kits. I was really shocked, and I'm thinking, how can anyone justify, yeah, you can make it all look nice and pretty and put it in a little bit of pretty packaging. That doesn't mean I say it's worth the value and worth what you're paying. So I'm just going to continue doing my kits, and people, if they don't like it, they don't like it. I don't care, because I believe in value for money. I believe in, you want people to come back to you. Of course you do. There's another one of them there. And you want people to, you know, spread the word and let people know what you do for people. I'm flabbergasted, to be honest. I really am. It's all right, because I just keep finding things. And I just have to put them in, you see. Because, you know, I've got lots of it, so yeah. Anyway, this is another kit. This is the second kit I'm working on. So if anyone is actually interested in this particular kit, yeah, there's lots of goodies. Look what this one's got in. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Put one of those in. It's got one of those in. One of those. Those. It's got a piece of that in. Some bits and pieces here. It's got appliques, it's got lace. I haven't finished with it. This is only half of it done. This crystal necklace. Beautiful teardrops on it. Dozen of that one. 3 of those. Oh, it's also got that one in. And that one. And that one. And that one. And you know what? No, I can't rip anybody off. And I know people are looking at theirs and going, well, I'm not ripping people off there. You know, I've got this and I've got that to pay. Well, yeah, so have I. Then, you know, yeah, put them in as well. I know, I just keep adding. But yeah, I don't know. I just really feel, for those that are having to lash out all this money, yeah, there's one of those, and really not getting that much for that crystal. Yeah, so, oh look, found one of them. I don't know. It's heartbreaking sometimes. Oh, I want those. I need some pins. I've got a project I want to do. Yeah, it's heartbreaking at times to see that people just keep, you know, oh, put this in, put that in, and, oh, do you know what? That's a really good, I've just found that. That's going to go on in the horse apron that I did. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that's lovely. It's a horse. Look, isn't that nice? So that's, yeah, luckily I found that. Oh, found another one. Oh, well, we'll have to put them on the thing. But yeah, I don't know. I feel bad. I really do feel bad. Here, I'll put that one in. You make something with that, I'm sure you can. So right now I'm just going to show you the materials. Now it's the same as the pink satin. So we've now got it in like a pale powder blue. The rose pink. Sorry, I'd run out of thingy. yeah, so the rose one, the teal one, oh, it's like a mint green actually, and the white. And like I say, I'm just going to continue with this lot and just keep adding to it. So yeah, I'm sorry, I just get flabbergasted by it all. I don't know where they get the prices from, and I just think, you know what, Fee, just carry on doing what you're doing. Anyway, I just thought I'll show you those ribbons, tell you a little bit about my, you know, I have to go out there into the big wide world and look what's going off and what's selling and things like that. And I really don't know. I don't want to bang my price. I'm not going to bang my prices up. I'm happy with what I get for what I sell. And I know it's all good quality. But I've seen some packs. They're not good quality. And you're getting little tiny pieces. Like 12 pieces. And you know, there's 15, 17, 18 pound for 12 little scrappy bits of lace. Calling it slow stitch kits. Go out and test it and see what you think. You'll be back. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.